Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to set up Salesforce messaging for in-app and web using Google Tag Manager. In your organization, if you are using Google Tag Manager and if you wanted to use Salesforce embedded messaging code snippet, then this video will be very helpful. The first step is we have to go to embedded service deployment and Salesforce setup. And for the embedded service deployment, which you have created for the messaging, you have to go and open that particular embedded service deployment. Under code snippet, click install code snippet. You will be able to get the code. When you click copy to clipboard, you will be getting two script tags. The first script we can directly copy and paste, but the second script we cannot directly copy and paste because in the second script tag we have onload attribute. Whenever we are using Google Tag Manager, we cannot initiate the JavaScript onload function or method. So this will not fire. So the messaging component will not be loaded and the end users will not be able to initiate the chats. In order to fix this, you have to make use of this particular template. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have given my blog link. From the blog post, you should be able to get this template. Here, the only change what you have to do is in the second script, use the source attribute value, and then you have to replace that with this el.src. What we are currently doing here is, since Google Tag Manager does not support onload, we are using a function and then we are creating an element with the TypeScript. We are setting this is the source and this will be asynchronous, and then we are adding an onload function. I have added couple of console.log statements, and then I'm using initEmbeddedMessaging method, which will be called on this onload. So the same method I'm calling it on the load, and then I'm using document.add.append child of this particular element. Once we add this, once we publish this Google Tag Manager code, get the Google Tag Manager code. Here I'm using Google website or Google site. So from the Google site, I have added the Google Tag Manager code and then I have published it. And here I will be able to initiate my messaging. So I'm testing as an agent. Here I'm testing as an user. So there is no issues. The chat loaded and the agent and the visitor were able to converse without any issues. So make use of this template where you have to just change this src for the second script from the code snippet, so that we can easily initiate Salesforce messaging for in-app and web sessions using Google Tag Manager. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.